My name is Alimat Momo Sadiat, a participant of MMM. I recently enrolled in a Guardian School Badge 134. I'm here to talk about the brief ideology of MMM and how it works. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system. No central account, it will not collect your money. Now, who we are? Over 138 million members worldwide, 107 countries, the largest donation exchange network in the world. In 1994, MMM held half of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being driven up just because of MMM. We are a community that built on helping people become free. Now, MMM ideology: creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue, creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute financial projects. Now, how MMM works: MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of reciprocity. Now, this is how it works: providing help and getting. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Now, where does 30% come from? There's no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, stopped, cancelled. MMM 30% earning: provide help, that's PH. You first of all you queue. That's you have to go to the bank and deposit. Getting help, that's withdrawals. Take out your profit, return back to the PHQ or take all, and that's all. 30% mathematical approach. Provide help, that's you queue. The other one, get help, that's 30% of what you've provided. For example, if you provide a help of 100,000, you get 30% of such help. That's 130,000. 30% of 100,000 is 30,000. Now, benefits: we are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. Registration bonus: after having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20. That if the donation is from $50 to $499. Now, for $50, if the donation is from $500 to $2,999, $100 donation more than $3,000. Referral bonus: you get on 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. Become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the levels in the structure. Become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn managers bonus 5% from first level participant donation, 3%, second level 1%, third level 0.5%, the fourth level, 0. And so on. Beware of the risk. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back, donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we had proven the system reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. Security in pulse mode. We have the PH and the GH and so on. Community building and development. Only big and fast-growing community can succeed. We provide budget for advertising, that such as online, SMS marketing, ads and articles in newspapers, etc. We transfer account sign from advertising other our managers, offline events, presentations, conference, seminars, charity events, opening clubs. We provide budget to give you a chance to build a real big team of your downlines. Frequently asked questions about MMM. Is MMM not a scam? Now, this is the answer. MMM is a successful, works more than 4 years in over 100 countries and has more than 130 million participants around the world. You can find videos confirming that by searching MMM page on YouTube. The second one is it legal? MMM is a company, it's not a company, bank or MLM program. It's a community, a social network of people providing financial aid directly to each other by transferring their own money. It connects millions of participants worldwide, those who need help and those who are willing to provide them. Participants are providing help by their own good and absolutely they are providing help with their own money from which all taxes have already been paid. There is no law in any country that forbids people to share its money with others. Now, how can I be sure that I will not lose my money? The best way to make sure is to register and provide the help with a minimum amount allowed by the rules of MMM, which is $10 in order to check how MMM works. As a proof that people are really getting help from MMM, you may find videos by searching MMM page on YouTube or check the letter of happiness posted daily in our website where people share their joy of having received help. Now, is it a pyramid? The uniqueness of MMM is that it has no person on top of the community who gets all the money. There's also no single account where all your money is stored. MMM uses exactly the same operational principles that all banks, pension fund and insurance companies do. Since economic fund flow is provided only by the participant, the difference between MMM and the above stated financial institution is that MMM is absolutely open and honest, and it gives the possibility to simple people to have the same benefits that bankers have. All that is clearly stated on the MMM website along with the warning about the risk. Be open and honest with those you are invited to join the community. Provide all the information about MMM and let them make their own decision. MMM rules for safe participants. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty. All accounts will be permanently blocked. You'll be banned. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty. You will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty. Your GH should be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family member to PH more than if they have more than the amount you PH to donate. Let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guidance. The penalty you'll be blocked. Always rule 9, always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH. Maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty, you'll be blocked. MMM in Africa. MMM presentation is Soweto. The website www.youtube.com. Thank you.